In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring Zoom meeting. If you regularly host classes, team check-ins, or family catch-ups, a recurring meeting saves you time by creating a single schedule that repeats automatically. We'll set it up from the Zoom dashboard, then grab the invite link so you can share it right away. Start on your Zoom dashboard. Look for the schedule option and click it. This opens the meeting setup window where you choose when the first session will happen. Set the date and the start time for that first meeting. Think of this as the anchor for the entire series. Zoom will use it to build the rest of the occurrences. Double-check that the time zone shown matches yours so attendees get accurate calendar times, and pick a duration that reflects how long you plan to meet. Now, find the Repeat dropdown in the same window. Click it to turn this into a recurring meeting. Here, choose how often you want it to repeat and, importantly, set how many times it should repeat. That count determines how many separate meetings Zoom will create on your calendar. If you know the series will run a set number of sessions, enter that number so there's a clear end. You can always come back and adjust it later if plans change. When the schedule looks right, click Save. Zoom will create the meeting series and return you to the dashboard. To access the invite, go to Meetings on the left tab. This section lists your upcoming meetings, including the recurring one you just made. Click the meeting's title to open its details. Here you'll see the invitation information. Use the option to copy the invitation link. This is the simple URL participants can click to join any occurrence in the series, and it's perfect for emails, chat messages, or calendar events. If you prefer to include dial-in numbers and more context, you can copy the full invitation text from the same page. But the link alone is usually all your attendees need. That's it. You scheduled the first occurrence, set it to repeat the exact number of times you want, saved it, and copied the invitation link for easy sharing. With this workflow, you avoid recreating the same meeting over and over, and everyone gets a consistent link for every session in the series. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.